Okay, so I created a new file now. Save the file as list.py. So when you are working with the Visual Studio Code, you need to save the file with the .py format. You remember it. List.py. Okay. Now let me go. Fruits fruits. Fruits is equal to. I need to save the values inside. Apple, orange, mango. Okay, now print here compulsory print is used. Without print, I cannot able to see files. Print compulsory we have to use. Print fruits. Okay, now execute the program. When you execute the program will come. Play the button. Sync. Yeah. Error. Then ఎందుకు అవుట్పుట్ రావాలి కదా లిస్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ the fruits is list. Now I want to see the fruits print. There is no error here. Okay, syntax invalid syntax. Why invalid syntax? Python is coming. Now fruits. Orange, mango, banana. Now fruits. Print of fruits. Now it is recognized. Previously it is not recognized. Now it is recognized. Save the program and do. Okay, now apple, orange, mango, banana comes. Now what my requirement is, I want to print only the first index of the fruits. Fruits of zero index. What is the zero index of the fruits? You will get only apple. So I got apple only. Now this time apple is coming. It is working fine. Now print of fruits dot append method is there, and you have to give the string object here. I want to give the lemon. Okay, print of fruits again. When I say print of fruits again, append is working or not, I want to check it out. Yes, lemon is working here. There is a problem with the Jupyter notebook. That is the issue. Okay, now append is working. So I told you what is a method called append. Append is appending value for list. Come to one more method. Now come to one more method insert. Fruits dot insert. Insert key compulsory position we have to say. Position 0 or position 1. And I want to insert a value called fruit page append. Can I say kiwi? And now print of fruits. Where kiwi is actually inserting? Where kiwi is inserting here? And what insert can do? Insert have two things. One is the position, and second thing is the value. Position and value we have to say. The position is 1 and value is kiwi. So finally fruits, I can able to see fruits. Save and run. And kiwi inserted at 1 index. Kiwi inserted at 1 index. What in the insert method will do? Inserting value a value at specified index. Okay, so index is working. Now I want to remove value. How to remove? Remove value from last index. Last index. Remove value from the last index. Okay. Now fruits dot remove. Remove value called value comma value which is like str. Now value is something like a kiwi. I want to remove the kiwi. When I say kiwi, okay, now print fruits. When I say kiwi can remove or not? Kiwi removed. I want to delete 11. So delete means delete is different. Delete is not there. Delete is not there. Only remove is there. Remove. When I call remove. When I call remove, what is the remove method can do? What is the remove method can do? I am not specifying any object for that. I am not specifying any object for that. Now, what is happening? Take one argument should be given. Remove 0. I am saying index. Okay, index also not works. Compulsory, you have to say the value. Compulsory, you have to say the value. Append TV. What is this now? Okay, append is working. Append is working. But when you say remove, compulsory, you have to specify the value. Then only it will be removed. Is it understand about the list objects here? Understand about the list? So one more class we have. And this is about the list item.